everybody, this is Kathy from Kathy's Creative Crafts and More. Welcome back to our channel. So today I am coming along with a design team project share for Inlovearts. And before I showed you what I created, these are the dies that I used for this project. And I also want to mention a 50% off code on your purchase, and I will link that down on the description below. So 15% will be taken off your purchase. And then I also want to mention that Inlovearts also has a free shipping on anything over $25. So take advantage of it, you guys. So these are the cute dies that I received from them. And these are the sweet ice cream dies. And this is the large hollow floral frame. And let me go ahead and show you this one first. So this one is so cute. First I was like, ooh, it's a little too small, but you know what? It is not small. It is a perfect size. I felt a little intimidated, but no, it works so perfect. It cuts really good. And this comes together like this. So I went ahead and took this piece off so I could do my layering if I wanted to do like foam, because you could actually die cut some of these items with foam. So I did that, and I wanted to keep these together just in case, you know, I don't want to have a lot of little tiny pieces loose, and because I will lose them. So there you go. So there you go. So let me show you what I created with this one. Let me just go ahead and show you how I cut some of them out. There you go. And then I did, for right here, for the effect of a bite, I did use a circle scallop punch, and I just cut it on or punched it on the tip, and there you go. That's the effect you got. I used some stickles on the sides on this one, and then I actually went ahead and put beads on them instead of using the circles, because I always lose the little extra circles. So yeah. Yeah, so see, and then I have these right here. And also you could actually, if you can, or if you want to do double scoops, triple scoop, or 4, 5, 6 scoops, you can actually cut several of these and layer them on top like I did here. There you go. There's another one. So let me just show you a few of them I've made before I show you my final creations with them. Yeah, I was ice cream crazy here. So let's go ahead and see what I made. I made these cute rosettes. I also made this one. This one I did pop up and layer it up a little bit. And this one, like I was saying, I used the foam right here on the side, as you could tell. And there you go. So it gives it a thicker look to it. And I think, yeah, I did the same thing to this one right here. So this is foam, and then I just put it on top of that. And I thought those came out so adorable. And this is a double scoop right here. And then I did distress some of them and did the wing, or the stickles on the side right there. And then I did this right here. And then I also went ahead and used it on one of these baggies. And I just put it on a doily on top of a heart. And there you go. Let me just put it on here. And then I also went ahead and used it on a back topper. I just made it really simple and cute. So that's what I created for my sweet ice cream cone or ice cream dies. Aren't they cute? Oh my goodness, they're so cute. So let me go ahead and move this along. And let me go ahead and show you what I created for this beautiful frame die. Oh my goodness, I thought it was so adorable. I did have to dye a few layers, and oh my goodness, so I ended up creating this beautiful card. Sorry, it was backwards, and it actually stands up just like this. There you go. And as you guys could see, I did layers on layers on layers right there. And then I went ahead and put some bling on here there too, and then just dressed it up. And I love this die. I so fell in love with this die. And well, anyways, thank you everybody for taking the time to watch. We'll see you guys on our next video. Hopefully you guys enjoy what I created, and I will link Inlovearts down on the description below so you guys could go check them out and take advantage of those coupon codes and the free shipping and a purchase of over $25. Anyways, thank you, and we'll see you guys on our next video. Bye for now.